Good sir, I am in Chipman with Delal Blayentos. Today I will recite Rule 36 in Coldrex. Rule 36. Signals to attract attention. If necessary to attract the attention of another vessel, any vessel make in the light or sounds signals that cannot be mistaken for any signals authorized elsewhere, and these rules or may direct the beam or searchlight in the direction of danger in such of way as not to embrace the any vessel. Any light to attract the attention of another vessel shall be such that it cannot be mistaken for any aid to navigation. For the purpose of these rules, the use to high intensity, intermittent, or revolving light such as strobe light shall be avoided.